Good morning, students. My name is Sister Teresa. I am teaching in Nirmala Convent School, Ratlam. Welcome to English Handwriting Online class. Students, today I am going to teach you the importance of having good handwriting in your life. There is nothing impossible in your life if you cooperate with your teachers and parents. Do you like to improve your handwriting? Yes, everyone wants to write in good handwriting. First point, if you are taught correct way of writing in your childhood, then it is the base and the foundation of learning process. Second point, if your handwriting is good, the teachers will get good impression of you and she will give you good marks and she cannot cut mark for bad handwriting. Third point, if your handwriting is good, even your character will become better. Fourth point, if your handwriting is good, you will get appreciation from your students, teachers and parents, and this will boost your interest to study systematically and with great enthusiasm. Fifth point, if your handwriting is not improved in small classes, that means at the beginning, it is very difficult to change when you are grown up. For example, it is easy to make straight the small plants with a support, but we cannot make straight the trees. It will break. So also, easily we can modify your handwriting and character in early stages. Point number 6. When you go for any interview, they will tell you to write something in order to know your character. So dear students, having good handwriting is a rich and wealth for a person. Now you have learned the importance of having good handwriting. So let us start our class. How many letters are there in English language? There are 26 letters, yes. So I have divided these 26 letters into 4 types for the betterment, the easy way of writing, cursive writing. So I have taken, there are 4 lines. There are 4 lines. Now some letters are written only on 2 lines. And some letters are written first 3 lines. Some letters are written last 3 lines. And some letters are written 4 lines. So now we will learn the first 2 lines. Middle 2 lines. So A. Taking starting from the 3rd line, going up, come down and go up. A. 2 times I will write. So please look at 3rd line starting, going up, come down. Did you understand, children? Yes. So now we will go to the B. That also. Now we go to C. C is writing in a 2 line. Same way, taking from the same 3rd line, going up to the 2nd line, coming back. Did you understand, children? Easy, okay. So now 3rd line starting, going up, come down and take it little high. C. Now we will write E. E is also starting from the 3rd line, going up, little slanting, then come down. E. 3rd line starting, going up, coming down. Did you understand? Yes. It is very easy. Now we will write I. Now we write I. I is taken from the third line, going up, come down, I. Going up, come down. Now we will write M. M is little difficult. Taking from the third line, going up, come down straight, then did you understand, children? Once again I write. Slanting, come down straight, same way in third line starting, slanting, little have to slant, then next line come down straight. Slanting, straight come down, go up. Did you understand, children? Now which is the letter? O. O is taking from the third line, go up, come down like A only, go up again, go up. This is O. Starting from the third line, going up, come down. Again R. R is also taking from the third line, going up little slanting you have to go. Then you have to make a loop there and come down, straight down. Slanting, take it, go up to the second line, come down. Yes, R. Now we have a S. S is also taking same way, going up. Going up. Now U. U is also taking from the third line. Taking from the third line. Again V. V is. Now U and V, what is the difference? U is coming down and V be there only, up. V. Now W. Now X. Now taking from the third line, round it, come back to the third line and go up again, same line, come down. Once again I write, little building in and come down, X. So now, yes, you practice it at home. Take your 4-line book and practice daily. And if you have any doubt, next class you can ask.